Alright, so I'm making some pins for the dump linkage of the boys' dump truck. I just turned these pins down. They're 2 inches. I took 20 thousandths off of them. I'm going to cut it off, drill a hole in it, and bang it in the truck. So here I am boring a hole in the end of this for the retaining bolt. So I've already got an 1/8 inch hole all the way down through. I'm going to follow that up with a 1/4, then maybe 3/8, and then 7/16 is my final hole size. So hopefully you won't be vibrated off of there. Let's see. I'll tell you what, if you have a milling machine, you'll never drill a hole with a drill press again. This just is so rigid. Even mediocre drill bits and everything just stays lined up and true. It's a relatively deep hole. This pin is 20 thousandths short of 2 inches, so it's kind of a deep hole. Come on. There we go. Okay, I'll bring you back. Okay, I got my 7/16 drill bit in there. Nothing fills up quicker than a milling machine table, huh? Now I just sharpened this drill bit, so it's not the best. I have a feeling one flake is cutting better than the other. But once it gets to cutting, it really cuts. Yeah. The younger me would have pushed till I broke the bit. The older me is more patient and pulls it out and cleans it up. There we go. Yep, alright. I'm going to put a 1-inch bit in there and chamfer those corners. Okay. This is just so when you hammer it in there and you don't quite have it lined up right, you can the bolt can find its way in there. Alright. Good. I'll do the other side off camera. Because one of the things, I'll flip this around, but I got to put the drill bit in to make sure it's lined up, because I don't want this, if this is off center from that hole, it'll get all funky on me. So I got to make sure when I rotate this 180 and go into the bottom of that hole that it's perfectly lined up. And I do that by putting the old drill bit in there and then go. So that's a little time consuming, so I won't show you that. Okay, so just going to try and put this pin in here. I took 20 thousandths off of this so it'd fit and drilled a hole there. Greased all that up. Let me put a little bit of grease on here. Okay, so we got both these pins in. They both fit good. All right, Kyle, lift it up some. Is that all? Is that it? All right. Okay, well. All right, I'll bring you back. Or this might be in, as a matter of fact. We're just slowly getting this thing up and running. So, there you go.